We'll start by coding our fireworks. Select a fireworks sprite. Add a yellow event block for when the green flag is clicked. Next, use purple looks blocks for hide and show. Place the hide block first and use it in isolation. Then attach the show block. We're going to use parallelism to create 2 lines of code that will run at the same time with the green flag. Add purple looks blocks for shrink and grow. To keep the shrinking and growing action running continuously, attach a red repeat forever end block. Test the animation by clicking the green flag. Once you're happy with the effect, copy this code to each firework by dragging it over to each sprite. When it's ready to accept the code, you'll see the sprite highlight with a yellow perimeter. Hide the fireworks and then test your code by clicking the green flag above the stage. Now, let's code the shooting star firework. Select the sprite, making sure it highlights in orange and appears in the coding area. Start with a yellow event block for when the green flag is clicked, followed by purple looks blocks for hide and show. Attach the show block and use the hide block in isolation. Add another green flag event block. Attach a blue motion block to move up and a purple looks block for grow. To set the distance the firework will travel, use the grid above the stage. My firework starts at 7 and I want it to reach 13. So I'll enter a parameter of 6 for the motion block. Then add a purple shrink block to finish the effect. Test the code to see the firework animation. Attach the hide block at the end of the second line of code to make the firework disappear when it reaches the top. Then reset the code and test. Copy this code to the other fireworks by dragging the code onto each sprite, watching for the yellow perimeter to appear before dropping it. To finish, we need to add a red end block to transition on page 1. Click on page 1 on the right-hand side. The stage will change. Run your project. Does it transition to page 2? We need to add a red Go to page 2 block to the end of the code with our send message blocks. Reset your project, then click the green flag to test the full project. Now our code runs exactly as we want, with each candle being lit, transitioning to the next page, and the fireworks animating.